The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mawyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Menterong ba gajalla konot kongkol sangma hakakat arterik unailar aja pun rio ulalej beneshim menta haka asen arja pun rio ka seminar halor ka jingte yakaru kom trekam na ka benta ka jingjom haki competitive exam ka union public service commission but ki weki competitive exam jong ka jalla but ka sarkar pedeng haka ni gasingi la sakilang the director general ka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute uba Cyril Dingdo but u director uspapnil tembe Menterong ba berkihe ofisar kila sabru ya ke CM Aspire Check syaki nyaungut ki kertong ki balapas ya ke UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination ke bamarsan pau hajar tingka bat ha ke juk opor menterong ba ula plepat baru ya ke Digital Learning Lab jong ke Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute ha ke ni ke jingalang
with this Pijama. Ready. Great. So what is that? So this is like a digital.
It's a yes, sir.
This side.
This side.
Okay. Oh. Wow. Nice. Oh. Great. Yeah. So I can use this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very nice. Sound also is very good. And
this is as per Government of India norms, so we can record content here and put on iGo.
Is it podcast online? Yeah. And then like you can use as a training in terms of so video conferencing.
Yes.
So basically, all our courses will convert to online for iGot. So we can record.
Is it too small for? Because I mean, suppose you have 15-20 people.
No, sir. Recording only. So speaker will only be there. 1 or 2 people.
Okay.
It's for
Recording content.
To create the content. Okay.
Instructor.
This is not like a video conferencing
No.
thing. Okay, got it. So you can. But then I have to record something.
This is a good podcast. Yeah. It's a good podcast. Okay. There is a 1, 2, 3.
Civil service kadega kawai na ki exam ki baka UPSC ka conduct de hakini ki hakani ka exam ki don sibon teliki ki kam ki ba ni yo ban choose kan de tang ta hai de ka banengkong ka day to you IAS and then IFS IPS kalau tak daftar kan ki don sibon teliki service ko kanika exam haki shisha ngai la di nadu munshwa nga shakuli kot baki nadu upor bangdang ngala suthu ban friend English ngala sedang ban puli jike na tu upor kesulong ngasukuli tang ban penberngai la di dan rai hadin katapat hadin bangala kadai final year jongka degree jonga jadi tu upor sedang yo ban sedang yo jite pamaranga ngasik upor bai mobile itu lang ngasik Google ya itu rai ngayo jumuntoy man nakata namarba ngayo jitip sipang kanita exam de tadi ketul yang sedang mengkrea menta kala kampun snam hi mala krea ayo kan ke exam itu menta kala de ke food atem jonga ngasrai por nga kham accident nomor kadang duna guidance ya itu dan rai menta kala kham yo lihat search idea nomor tabang yo ban prepare ni exam ngalai coaching tu por ngalai sistem art ajar aku art to apply tentang maklara ngalai coaching tu por
coaching hai
hastiram IAS ko New Delhi kai sikhi kalong nomor bang yo bet face to face jing la ban ong de kham long kadon kata ekosistem tan kita prepare ngelarang prepare sini pat kalong ba ka ekosistem ka pair kan tam ka kata ka we ka de ka jing pair jisha ladangi mla ban kot bor ban le chedu Delhi ru ndai ngila ban yo kini di online po YouTube ni ngila ban subscribe itu ngala trim tala asnam dan re haswa jeng tu ngayo dan prepare let's say ngala penong kampun kenta kin hari sini nrai menta kala shlong ngala shube benayeng sha office yang dengan su ngayale ban 60 por kan situ sini kadang let's say ngala ban yo arkanta man mit arkanta step kala kan nong ta junga apa prepare kan yang Dave ngadang dan ni jeng tu ban le itu MCS tahi nya mata ke wang ladon service
Klasik
kacungim gejunga kelong ba la ban serve yaki ba jong kejelahi menengkong katahi ke saya mata tahi nengkong hi ke sarkar kala ai ke mati nang benta bangin bagi kena tin yo ban prepare hi ni bagi yo ke tadi ekosistem nang tam prepare ke UPSC de nangkah dian sekenika CM Inspire dia hot kala Arab hi undai baro atau kala Arab dia kesan ta bani nama ka jundut ka ade babun hi prepare di UPSC de hot kala Arab hi di aspirants ya menemar menta ki ngan ong ki resource ni jing batai eng layo ben YouTube lada pinang banwar ki don ni resource bebiang menta ba yo prepare di UPSC kan Bukan tristom ni, kalau kita tristom dihap nang rup ban le ka youth ka smart work itu, kita bagi play kena exam nomor ba, aku jing tristom tentang ban play dari ladang itu nakat ka smart work apa, lak ban le kan nyerap sibun nak ladang inang ban penan kam hi social media ngla banong ba ka layarap sibun hi nang ta ni khamtam pun di aspirants kan ndai tang yang ki UPSC aspirants su ndai nang benta juga school ibu ni ki bagi la banyo jumtoy social media ngai la dia kham prefer ka kot hi de ki jimbatai pat long la hi ban peng tu ni YouTube shout dengan pun krep na kot
kani ka exam ngau poi tip po bangalang li college po St. Anthony's te po banga graduate house nem arja apply months dep tu ka graduation ni nga join ya ka coaching industry coaching po Shillong jong hi ni po ALS ngayo ka jing kain tu foundation batch tu baro te hadin tu pat ka simple hi mo ngam thap le kata te bang kalau mentah du this is my third attempt so la nam hi tang manai ka banyak thoi ka banyak lat ban thoi ka min sru te kap po banganang prepare te ka bun sin hi bahap it was in isolation bed to tengah hi maroi begum tu yale kabale tu ban prepare ka current affairs na ki general knowledge tambah na po ka nakaliang ka jingkai bangayo na po ka elas patte kala ayarap ha kan akaliang ganu kenta ka bang krakot the show hisnap iki toppers especially tong ngatong dang pas tong ka film song pada ong tham ra tambah if the shoot ki ong ba you need at least minimum 12 to 13 hours a day that's not true I feel personally ba the amount of hours that you put in it does not equal to the effort ba kami pate hapo ka exam so even if in short bursts of timing su ko ba kum 2 hours but if you stretch the entire day padam if you get at least minimum of 6 hours a day ru kalabyang ha talong what matters is not those hours ka matters kareka your consistency and your effort into those hours but you put in pakin coming to the sources but I relate mostly ki standard sources right Polity Lakshmikan history spectrum the current affairs ngam ngarila haki monthly magazines bami na po vision na po history the sisat na po ka coaching be ngayo mi kainang to and I feel like more than sources you need some polok te badan lang hajan ni ka mafile mafi and the similar competition that you done long ka kami yarap susu pan prepare ni ka exam kalau ka it gives you a sort of motivation ru ban ni ya chu ban do jing kerman pakai nak ni ka jingat bajrong babaya. Technology depends mostly at how you use it. Depend it's good if you know how to use it, it's bad if you don't know how to use it. Technology te kalian jangan te personally te kalai rabha hakni kalian ga UPSC coaching yang kidan ki briba ong ba film licha podali te film na alam prepare ni exam tinga hanga pat na hasam tu kamdi na it's not exactly that hanga nga prepare bina shulong ben pulihi na devote by 5-6 hours a day consistently every day te nakalian ka technology pengalaman outline gitu online courses na submit key answers te for evaluation dengan ayo bang evaluation it was more than enough. So technology coming to the point bang technology kaya rabha if you know how to use it. First priority teman tabal like prelims ke debate ya mains which is next week dan bakla ni APSC mains. My first priority to kan main to ben I'll try my very best to give it my all. So regarding other exams there obviously mentah bang ngaru di belum 4 dan kam jam tengah haptra hi jong ki state exams ru haju opor hakatu opor ngap prepare kan ka APSC ru
tem phila ban youtube ese kumno manaba motivate ipi ban yakini ki exam.
Okay, so motivation tu ni kong sharp tadi ni yang ben ni yang ki ong bi jule da shu filan emla fila bet lebe ka fila tembe mi mangkasi krakot baik ni ya kerjaan ni yang imi pali te kamtam i klaya dan lengkat lang pangapin adu po bastam i pahi ni kong bapin pensulo dengan bapin seo gini ki coaching ru bamdei baram abdei batan mondong lah baram i pikot ki ru la petilut kira era pas secondly ka mangayo motivation ru dina nakaliang ka coaching ru dan mentors jonga ru ki di balong very passionate about their work ki I encouragement memang kasni ya te pat deki ong ba de film laru umbelera you can try again, there's always another day, just so long as that I shouldn't give up them ta. So that's it. Oh, that's not the case nang hangali te Hasham hangali personally ngala experience ya kaniga the level of quality of teaching ko kaniga hapo sholong jongi I feel proud ba kala kami kata that environment of teaching kiwan ki especially I can't speak for other coaching at my own coaching hapo ti bangaling nga enroll mga kiwan min hapo na Delhi, so we get the same level quality of teaching hapo ka sholong jongi so there was no compromise on the quality of education. Furthermore throughout my preparation ba dan tanga jing tuna haki quality haki the depth of standard of knowledge ru so biang ba but in addition ru sudah dan ding duna it's just a simple Google click away dan boro online search bit film kami you film for example menangkam current affairs mentate kiang ngasu search bina po Google atau Vision IS PT 365 ayo kita boro is the same thing da mangayo na po Delhi I get the same thing in Shillong kaju kalian kajing ai jing kesan yang sarkar tengah sungu sarkar especially kenika UPSC kamdera ka ba tangha sistem ala kenabi banyo ka exam it needs money, time, most importantly ka por jong phir ba pansan ha kanika pisa te halang pisa klaira yes it helps more 50,000 is not a joke tamba for resources and all to get the in courses it's not that much enough but it helps a little bit it helps iki kena ki ba dunate kanyarap chibon ha kala ban I jing yarap yaki plus I feel like in addition ya nika incentive bagi yo scholarships tu ada poka coaching they give the helping hands scholarship if not mistaken ki exam and if you can clear filaban wan kuliah poka coaching bangalip mga
Iperti yang tau ki Ivan em kuwi ko prom kwa akhnai phi
Ivanไปคอนแบมกว่าแลสก็มั้ง
tak macam ni pada ni. Hampir buat yang gelak.
Bon sen kibrum juk kli phagi anga. Tangki khmat phom chna. Yi ya phayo dai.
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên su gà gram mò tọt là bốn gà gram tem ấy tiệt đi phi. Có con đây nè.
Dạ khi biểu ngài nên mà. Em khi mà vào tâm anh em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu.
Em ini pedi yang pi ke kuat lai ni trending ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau thai suruh.
Ngaku ai ama lai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga simpul desain gua ar. Dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan ni simpul desain.
Ini ke cek tu ram sokar mah.
Kamu pada terang la duk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.